Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to take a hands-free selfie on Android using Google Assistant. So firstly open the Settings app, then in the Search tab enter Voice Access. Then here make sure that Voice Access is turned on and you are ready to set up your Google Assistant. And then just say, "Hey Google, open the camera."
Got it.
And then as you can see, it has opened the camera. And then say, "Hey Google, take a selfie." And as you can see, it has successfully taken a selfie. So now you know how to take a hands-free selfie on your Android using Google Assistant. And if this video was helpful for you, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.